Hi guys, so we are doing the tourist on
It's the boat thing, I
on
don't
the
know.
boat. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
And we have the lantern. Oh, we are here in the bridge. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome again to our channel. Oh yes. So we searched this place from Google, the best bami here in Hoia, and this is what Google said. And this is the name. Bami Soon. Yeah. And look. This one is the mix.
So $1.50 US.
Yes. Let's try it. It has egg, pork, ham, pickles, some veggies, and I don't know what kind of sauce is this. Okay, let's try it. The bread is really good. Yeah. This is the place outside. Amazing. And we have some smoothie, mango and carrot juice. It's not sweet, good. How about the carrot? Oh, nice. Okay, let's get. Yum. So you can also add chili here. Chili.
Ooh, mommy. Okay, so here we have a salami and pork bami. Yummy. That's my second one.
Try now. Let's see your
Huh?
reaction.
Because I can.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, with ice.
Chè phở đi em. Looks good. This one coconut. It's a lot of light, babe.
There's a lot of light.
Yeah.
I think this is the. Go and get
So we are in the ancient town.
mix it. 20.
What's the name of that?
Babu Temple Guy.
Temple.
Babo?
Temple Guy.
Temple guy. Oh. Oh.
Just gay. Not temple.
Temple. Oh. Good?
No, we didn't try it.
Show me. Ooh la la. That looks amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have eye.
Yeah, it has eyes. It's like halo-halo.
It's like hello hello.
Yeah.
Just tell him in the Philippines we have hello hello.
In the Philippines, we have like this, what we call halo-halo.
Hello, hello.
Oh.
It's Philippines.
Yeah.
Philippines.
Hello, hello.
Hello hello.
Halo-halo means mix.
Mixing. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I make everything for
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You mix the gulay,
And this one, chili.
Jelly. Yeah, jelly.
Jelly. Good, CJ?
Yeah, in the Philippines we add
Is it good?
also
Good?
fruits. Okay na. Oh, look this one. It's so amazing. OMG. Oh my god. Never been here. This is the first time. Look. Wow. Oh. So many people. Look. God. Wow! It's so we've never been here! Look at those Oh my god! Wow! Look this one! Oh, so nice! Oh my god! So nice here!
Mấy ngày kiện vô á, thiện bao không vô thì giá. Thôi thôi vô bao luôn thôi mà. Thôi vô đâu hả?
Next time. Next time we're gonna
Thấy
do
luôn chừng
that.
mấy ngày nó chưa vô đó chơi.
Oh my god, so nice!
How much to go?
150.
150 per person. For free.
Okay.
Okay, you take this one?
Is that 154? T.
For three.
the
for
boat.
20 minutes ride. And the lantern is 50.
Okay.
So I don't really know why we have the lantern, but...
You can make a wish in the lantern.
Really?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Thôi, đây hả? Không,
Đây, this one?
Đây.
Thấy cái ngã chơi đâu?
Đây.
Oh, come
Vô
on.
nè. Ủa, bao đi qua phía.
Come on, đây.
Why are you fighting?
Dẫn bao trước nè.
Come on, đây.
So which one? Come on, CJ. Watch your footstep.
You cannot see me because I'm too dark. Oh, wow. Wala, ang suwado. Wow. Oh, it's not really ano. I'm gonna use.
What are we... Hi guys, so we are doing the tourist on
It's the boat thing, I
on
don't
the
know.
boat. Oh,
Yeah. And we have the lantern. Oh, we are here in the bridge. So
Oh.
it's
We're gonna put
no
What?
later. Wow.
Oh la la.
Ay, ulala.
Đảo pha nó đẹp chật đó.
Yeah, look the drone. They have drone. Look. Hi.
I gotta get the drone there as well.
Yeah.
okay, you're gonna put
Huh?
gonna put because there's a lot now.
It's okay. Wow. This is the first time here. We just go to that street, small street, and this is the end of the street. Oh.
What, you put the lantern in the water?
Yeah, but you need to make a wish.
Okay, babe.
Okay, let's make a wish. Okay. CJ.
So we put the lantern in. I hope he's not gonna go back already.
No, not yet pa, oy. It's not yet pa. How many minutes? 20. So 7:43. We start 7:43. Okay, Chen, you drop now. Did you make a wish? Hi. Hi. It's so hot. Yeah, it's really touristy, but you need to do it when we are already here, so we need to do it. At least if we go back, we have something to tell that, oh, we did it. Actually, we did not really plan this one. We just jump on the boat, and yeah.
That's the best way, no?
Yeah.
Otherwise you never do it again.
But because tonight kasi we don't have that plan that we're going to the old town like that. We just decide.
Let's go out.
Yeah. Wow. So it's really huge river. Look, there are so mga bars, karaoke. Yeah, they love also singing here. Actually, the Vietnamese, they love to sing. And then, yeah. No crocodile dandy. Doing laundry. There is someone there doing laundry. Laundry inside the boat. Wow. I wonder how does it looks during yeah. Yeah. I saw many they are really hard working. I saw many mga old people are still working, farming.
Yeah.
Everyone
No
is
excuse, man.
working.
Yeah.
Everyone. I'm really impressed. And they really work.
Of course, the bridge there, and there's heaps of takeaway store there.
Yeah.
Look, you can have a banh mi, banyo. So you have banh mi and you have BANH.
Yeah.
Should be organized.
Look those lantern. Ay, those candle.
Mình đây là cái con sáu hiền, là cái con sáu hiền là biết chi ai đi về rồi số một trời mưa một mắt lăn cầu trời mưa một mắt lăn cầu chỉ có chết không chỉ có chết thì buồn con hay đây là cái con gì đó gì đó hay là bằng thương bằng thương
Happy hour.
No, thank you. No, we don't drink. No,
Oh,
we have
thank you. Oh my god. Pakitong-kitong. Oh my god.
There's a snow globe.
Wow. Look the lantern. You want happy hour?
Happy hour, happy hour.
What different happy hour
Happy
is
hour all
that?
day.
No, thank you.
You know how much this costs, ma'am?
Size is 100. Small size? 80. The ano ba? The umbrella. Oh my god. Babe, they have frog. They have frog barbecue.